Exit live on Binisaya Facebook. Presented by Jaime Morados of Kaping Muka.
Hello mga kababayan. Today I'll be talking in English for Binisaya Film Festival. I am not from Cebu, but Dar here says that he will teach me how to be Cebuano in the span of 3 days for all of the live streams that we are going to do. In the comments, you will count how many times I say the name of this interview segment. We are having our Mane Talks. Mane Talks. Here I have in front of me a box of mane. And in the span of the 3 days, we will talk until the mane runs out and the money overflows. Right, Dar? Dar is our technician slash audio person slash live stream coordinator. Right in front of the camera because his face is just so soothing on screen. He's like the Tony Stark of Cebu with his beard and his knowledge on tech and cinema. We will be interviewing our resident director later, our resident basketball player, the George Miller of the Philippines-ish by looks, Keith Del Hero later when he's not lazy. Oh, if anybody in the comments has a Type-C charger for Micho at the back he's asking for, you can kindly send it all the way here in Taytay. I left my Type-C charger at home. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Oh, this iPad kid needs his iPad charged. While we're waiting for people, we can interview Dar, and he has no choice but to answer my questions. Right, Dar? Dar, if you are a dish from Cebu, what would you be?
Lechon.
But then there's lechon everywhere.
Mas masarap pa rin lechon sa Cebu eh.
Wow. Let us know if mas masarap ba talaga ang lechon sa Cebu. Delayed pala to. Magre-react pala siya doon. In the meantime, I'm finding a job. So if anybody has jobs in the comments, you could let me know. I do anything. I mean, I don't do everything. I do some things. Yes, I'm a fresh graduate. And right now, tambay lang ako sa bahay. Ish. Very ish. What else can we ask Dar? I think I can chat GPT the questions for Dar. Make me questions for a stay-at-home video editor. A stay-at-home full-time video editor. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let's get straight to it. What's your biggest perk of working from home as a video editor? Dar Tonakaw.
Okay lang kahit di maligo. Walang nakakaamoy sa'yo.
Oh, well, Dar, I'll be here for 3 days, so you better take a bath. But may advantage ka kasi hindi ako nakakaamoy sa isa kong nostril. Actually, I can't smell. Like, I think something's wrong with me. Like, for months. Like, I can't smell. Parang like in general, like, di ako nakakamoy. So, if nag-ano ka, so I can't smell if you're baho. I can smell myself. If nag-deodorant ako, ganon. I can smell the deodorant if like it's up close. Pero I won't go up close naman to your neck door na parang ganon. Hindi ko naman gagawin yon. May sipon ako. Malamig dito sa Taytay-ish compared to in Binyan, Laguna where there is currently some smog from Taal Volcano. Mainit talaga doon. I wonder how it is here in the morning. Dar, as a new resident of Taytay, how is it like in the morning?
Mainit pa rin, pero mainit sa umaga. Yes. Hindi ako morning person eh.
I know, Dar. In the next 3 days that I am here, we are going to make Dar a morning person. Actually, fun fact, on the way here, I told Dar, we're gonna be jogging in the morning. Tapos, bumili siya ng 2 sapatos para lang makipag-jogging with me in the morning. So, we're gonna do that in the morning with Micho and Sir Keith who need to be jogging for the better being of their health. Right, everyone? Alright. I feel like there's gonna be too much personal stuff in this live. So, you can also ask me questions about finances and stocks in the comments. Yun nga lang, wala akong alam sa finance and stock. So, you can ask me the question and I'll try to answer it with what wisdom I have in my brain. If you don't know me, my name is Jaime Morados and I'm a person. I am Dar's roommate for the next 3 days. Right, Dar? Are you excited?
Hindi.
Dar, again, is the Tony Stark of Taytay. Look at his beard. Say hi, everyone. Say, I am Iron Man.
I am Iron Man.
May tao na ba?
I don't know.
May 7 viewers. Uy, JP. Hi, JP.
Hello, JP. JP Corton is the director of Nalumos Akong Papa sa Sabaw, which is part of Archipelago Rising number 2. If there are other directors man lang there, Sir Keith will be the one to acknowledge you and say the title of your film and the running time and the program that it's part of. And kung saan siya ipapalabas sa Cebu. Yes.
The house.
Kita na ko, ha? PDP.
Chill lang kayo. Yan yung host eh.
Pero si Jaime ang host.
Ay!
Mane.
Ako ang guest.
Manito. ulit. Yan ang host. Pag ganun.
Okay.
Oh, sige.
Oh, boom.
Nice one. Tama.
Paano ba yan puntahan? Ang buko ko ng live.
RJ Gado is here. RJ Gado is the director of Time Before Kevin. Part of Binisaya Horizons.
Comments? Basa ka ng comments ito.
Wala namang comment eh. Oh, 2 lang. Ang sabi ni JP, I can't read it.
Pa-shout out daw.
Shout out. Shout out!
Yun lang. Shout out.
I want to know, Dar, what are you watching nowadays? Yung yung shareable sa live stream audience natin.
Okay. Nanonood ako ng The Boys.
Oh, The Boys on Prime Video.
Yes, Prime Video. Nasa season 1 pa lang ako.
So you're really into boys. The series The Boys.
Okay. Yes. Maganda siya.
Okay. Did you finish it already? You finished Boys?
Ano pa, season 1 pa lang ako.
Huh?
Season 1 pa lang.
Okay. You,
Sabi ni JP Corton, mag-franchise ka ng mayongs dyan sa Taytay, Kuya Dor. Ba't mo kinukuya?
Ba't mo daw kinukuya si Dar? Si Dar ay isang tito.
Tito na ako, tito. Titos of Cebu.
Sa kayo mag-comment nila, manin nilang matawag ko videos you can smell.
Homelander Pogi.
Yes, that's the boys that Dar is finishing.
Shout out.
He likes finishing the boys.
Ay, wala pa. Distract ako. Distract ako. Nakakatalito. Nakaharap sa natin.
Anybody has questions about the Binisaya program, you may comment it and Sir Keith will attempt to answer them.
Hello. Hello.
Sa mga nag-shootout dyan sa Cebu, how is your shootout if you are watching? Nag-shootout ba?
W in the chat. W shoot out.
Also, part of this live stream, we will be selling stuff also. The only thing that we'll be selling today is like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes with Darton Yakaw or myself on Google Meet. Each are different in cost, but all of the proceeds will go to Binisaya Film Festival for, the festival next year, or even for the prize if there is a prize.
Walang internet. Patay ako sa cellphone.
I just want to say that I'm with boomers right now who are having a hard time navigating how live streams work in. Askia Gonzalez said, "Congrats! He loves this person loves the short films." Thank you so much, Askia.
Askia ASL.
I have not watched the short films aside from some. Comment your favorite film. JP Corton says, "Super solid nang." What's the title? Si Dar naman ang bagal kumilos. Super solid ng Balsa sa Lawod. Whoa. That's a cool film. I'll be watching all of them tonight. Right, Dar? We're gonna all-nighter?
I think so.
Yes. All right, everybody. So, we're gonna begin bidding for our meeting. Bidding for Darton Yakaw's 5 minutes. And then we'll contact you of how you can avail of these services. So, 5 minutes with Darton Yakaw starts at 50 pesos, going straight to the GCash of Binisaya. How long did I say? 3 minutes? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. For 50 pesos with Darton Yakaw. Darton Yakaw is a very brilliant editor. He edited Nalumos Akong Papa sa Sabaw. He's also part of the editing team of Gabriela Serrano's upcoming short film titled Dreamtime. He's also part of the editing team there. He's also part of the team of Uwan in It by Faith Argon. He's also part of the team of Boy Kilat. So Dar is a very talented person. He's also very, 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 very single. He was able to buy 2 pairs. He was able to buy 2 pairs of shoes. It means that he can buy a pair of shoes for you. He has enough money to go out on dates, whether it be a man or a woman, whatever his preference is in the 3 minutes that you get with him. So starts at 50 pesos. Proceeds go straight to Binisaya Film Festival. No, they'll just say it's like mine. 50 pesos, ganon. Say in the comments, mine, 50.
Send stars.
Send stars. I don't understand how the star system works. I'm the boomer in that part. Pogi na editor. That's exactly correct, JP Corton. Are you bidding for 3 minutes with Darton Yakaw on Google Meet? For 50 pesos? Going once? Going twice?
Dan Banate, send stars. Terry Malbar is watching.
Si Terry Malvar, my only Google Meet with me for free. Si Dar, you need to pay 50 pesos for 3 minutes.
Pogi po na may green mic. Pogi ka raw.
I know. We have some information to pass on about Binisaya Film Festival, which we can repeat for hours and hours since there are a lot of people asking questions about the screenings. So, with the 14 viewers that are currently here and the viewers that are going to be watching much later during owl hours, we'll be asking, wow, someone sent 99 stars. How much is that? How do you send stars? Magkano yun? Okay. Micho. So, thank you for the stars. I will be the one to give you your reward. I will not share what that is in this live. So, Kid De La Hero, can you tell us a little bit more about the screenings and what's gonna happen in the festival? Much more in terms of how can we watch the films?
Hello. Okay. Binisaya is running from August 17 to 20 something. Saturday to Saturday, one weekend. It started with film shootout, ended yesterday, and today, Monday, is the beginning of the showdown something where something showdown on demand. It's a competition for the Audience Choice Award. The most viewed on demand film will win the Audience Choice Award. Shout out to JP Corton. 35 stars. Yes, the last time we did this live thing was during the pandemic. We also got some stars. But I don't know. Hindi ko alam paano ba yan i-cash out yung stars na yan.
50 pesos yung 99 stars.
50.
So,
Pwede
yun
ba
nga,
yan?
yung 3 minutes with Darton Yakaw.
Papasok ba yan sa Gcash? So, asan ba ko kanina? Monday until Friday, showdown, palakasan ng views, promote everyone. We need to tell everybody to watch the films. We need to force everyone to watch local films on the internet. The benefit of this is that people outside of Cebu City will be able to watch the films. That is what we missed last year. It was hardcore face-to-face. So that's Monday to Friday. On Friday, there will be a talk at the Kabilin Center. Shout out Kabilin Center. With Glenn Barrett, the guy who saved my life, my kidney.
Ay, bawal pala tong mani for circuit.
And Sir Ed Cabagnot from Cinemalaya and other things, OG. They will be sharing some thoughts about cinema and the society and everything else in between. That's Friday afternoon. And that's also the end of all the counting of views for the Audience Choice Award. And on Saturday after that, that is the face-to-face non-stop playlist. Like a Budots playlist. Face-to-face screening on the cinema. Robinson's Galleria, Cebu from 11 a.m. I think. Until the night. There is a break at 3 p.m. So, yeah. For this schedule, please go to binisaya.org. There is a sched tab there. You can check the things that will be happening. We are excited for that Saturday. And that Friday, some filmmakers outside of Cebu will be going to Cebu. I will also be going to Cebu. Currently in Taytay, I will be going to Cebu with, hopefully with Sir Ed Cabagnot and Glenn Barrett via our sponsor, Cebu Pacific. Shout out. Yes, and we will be staying in Life Hotel. Oh my goodness.
Together, one room?
I'm not sure yet. I think maybe 2 rooms or 3, I don't know. To be
To be live
to be
streamed.
announced.
To be live streamed if one room together. Shout out pala kay Director Hector Calma. Yes, hello. Sir Hector,
Hector
Director.
Calma. May pasok na next week.
Yes,
Oh my goodness.
co-teacher ni Sir Keith. Professor Keith pala, sir, mga people. Professor K. Yes. Salamat sa 50 stars, Rain Joshua Gado. Actually, kapag nag-send kayo ng stars, we have dinner here in Taytay. Kasi wala akong bayad dito, wala akong TF. So, all the stars that you
Wait lang.
send us,
Hindi ka pa kumain?
I ate na dinner. I ate na. Concerned. May soft spot pala to. Alright, now, going back to the bidding. If you want 3 hours...
Wait lang, hindi pa ako tapos.
Sorry.
Saturday, 11 a.m. I think. Tapos may break time ng 3. Tapos Binisaya World at I think 4. To be followed by the closing film, which is Archipelago Rising Volume 2. Kasama dyan si JP Corton, Jaime Morados.
Jacob Alcala. Carl Lara.
Che, Tagyamon.
Check Tagyamon.
Kasama sa film na yan sila Giovanni and the Cebuano animators
Of Brand X.
Brand X. And after that, awarding ceremony and then after party sa Midtown Cebu City. Wala si Jaime doon.
So, comment if nandun kayo sa after party. Si RJ, alam kung pupunta siya ng Cebu. So, it will be a time of RJ's life. Right. Where's the after party? Ay, wait. Wag na natin i-share.
After party is TBA.
TBA.
Para may surprise reveal effect.
Sabi ni RJ, ha ha ha! Thank you for that comment. Now there are less people watching because of how unentertaining we are and how bad we are at passing information. If you want to help us out, send us stars because it will indeed help us out. You know, we're starving artists. We need food. We need water. Yes. Wild ba yung after party? RJ is asking if wild ba ang after party.
Pwede mong tanungin si Ron Gagamboy. Shout out Ron Gagamboy
Shout
wherever
out
you
to
are.
Ron Gagamboy. I don't know who you are, but shout out.
Sino pa ba dapat yung tanongin? Si Michael Mante. Sino ba mga pumaparty dyan? Ay, dapat niyan tanongin si Faith Aragon nasa chat ng filmmakers.
Congratulations to all of the students daw ni Hector at Sir Keith na nakapasok sa Binisaya. Congratulations. Wala daw bias yun. Maganda talaga ang mga films. Yes.
Answer there?
I don't know what those films are yet, but we'll find out tonight when Dar and I watch them all-nighter together beside each other in bed. Alright. Star ko kay Jaime. Thank you, baby. I need food right now because Sir Keith and Dar don't eat breakfast, so I'll be eating breakfast alone.
Nico Marks, I'm bringing the Buddhas to Cebu.
Nico March. Katubang ika. Chuy guda na niya.
I'm bringing the budots to
Chuy.
Cebu.
Chuy, Nico March.
Thank you so much for
Baklay
bringing the budots to Cebu. May you also bring it here in Metro Manila one day. Because I will not do it. And Sir Keith is not doing it because he has a bad back. Dar doesn't want to do it because he's afraid of the camera. That's why he's an editor. Kaya half lang yung kita sa mukha niya ngayon. That's not the Tony Stark that I know. Tony Stark ng Taytay. Si Dar pala ay nakatira na dito sa Taytay. You better expect the unexpected.
Anong pwede natin?
That's the energy I want, Nico Marts. Thank you so much for that comment. I will really expect the unexpected.
Ay! Speaking of Nico Marts, by the way, dito na natin to i-launch. Maglo-launch tayo ng career, Char.
Maglo-launch pa lang. Announcement.
Kailan ba yung last time, Nico Marts, kailan ba yung nanalo ka ng audience react video, something? 2022? 23?
Is that the
21?
Verite?
Anong year yun?
I don't know. Isn't that my year, 2021? Or before pa? Sorry, I don't know.
In one word, describe Baklay or...
What?
Mike.
Nico Marts, anong year daw yung Verite? That video.
I think 2022.
Oh, yes.
22 or 21?
Gabi sa kabilin.
Dili sa nakato no sa
Binisaya
Casagordo.
2022, Nico Marts says.
Oh,
Because you get the right answer, you get to send stars in this live stream.
Okay, so this whole duration of the showdown from Monday to Friday, we will be encouraging the people to make a react video. Feel free to go crazy as you want, as nonsense as you want, and the best react video will be played in the cinemas on Saturday and will win maybe a cash prize
Maybe a
to
cash
be
prize.
revealed and maybe a Binisaya short.
And who is going to fund that cash prize? It's you guys by sending stars to this live stream. Yeah. Galing ko magano, 'di ba? 'Di ba, Dor? Punta ka dito para makita natin yung legs mo.
Wag.
So ayun, best react video, the Google form will be available maybe by tomorrow where to submit, or baka wala na siguro ang Google form, just upload it in your own social media and then tag Binisaya and the best react video, the craziest react video while watching all the crazy films in the Vimeo will win a Binisaya short and some cash.
Ready na ba mo? Nico Marts says at Keith Delejero.
Saya ka raw.
Magbisaya daw.
Nico Marts will be presenting that award on Saturday as the previous winner.
Di ako magbibisaya but I'll be dancing at the back because kahit na walang music kasi hindi sinet up ni Dar yung mga buttons natin. So wala akong music. So what you'll do is in the comments you will type beats, dug packs, and I will just dance to it. That's one less viewer after I stood up and showed my legs. Maybe I should sit down.
Cristerol, oh. Cristerol is watching.
Hi, Tel. Good luck sa shootout. Ay, hindi pa lang naririnig.
Ano di ba ka madungay?
Gimute na ako kayo. Ay, ko man.
Kung ma-mute ka, ma-mute din ang microphone.
Kani siya.
The boomers are talking about the technicals.
Hello, sound check. Okay ra ang audio, guys? L audio. W audio. Okay. W in the chat. W Jaime in the chat.
Uy, abot. Abot sila yan. Sagutin.
Nico Marts in the house.
Yo, what's up mga madlang people diha, no? So if your Binisaya 2022 Best React winner Nico Marts alias Boy Tilap. So kato I'm the defending ba, champion of the React video. So, ambot sa inyo kung gusto ninyo tilapan ninyong TV, inyong kamera, unsa ba diha, magbudots-budots ba mo diha, mag-remix mo sa music ni DJ Lab, o mag-remix mo kang Libya Montes, mo gamit mabog music ikan sa Daft Punk, o magamit pa mo
Music ni
music
Jaime
ikan
Murados.
sa Paris 2024. So, I'll be presenting it in Robinson's Galleria, Cebu. Everybody see the flick. And kapag ako gani ang nadaog gyapon, I will donate all the cash prize to UNICEF to help all displaced families, refugees, and battered women and domestic violence na motto. So shout out kay Miss Barbara Ruaro, asawa ni Romnick Sermenta. Thank you for supporting Binisaya, and thank you for the postcards. Maura, salamat.
Thank you so much, Nico Mars, for the effort of calling. We appreciate your effort. Binaba yung call. Wala man lang buyer.
Hindi pa tapos.
Wala naman ba? Bro. Sorry. Hello. Is it working? It's working. Hindi pa sir. Wala akong budget para i-replace to.
Okay siya. Kala ko magaganon pa din.
Micho. You have to show up to the camera. Why? So you have to wear this.
Daghang salamat Nico March Baclaicor, the reigning champion of the Video React Cinema.
I'd rather not show my arms.
Okay.
Basta tayo ng comments.
Oh, this is the messiest live ever in the world.
Stunt yun. Diyan sabi ni JP Curtin. Natawanan ko na rin, no? RJ.
It's time to sit down, Micho, and then we're gonna ask you some questions before we end this live stream.
Okay. Micho, you sit down here. Jaime will ask.
W daw, sabi ni Terry.
So Micho is currently in studying. What is your grade, Micho?
3.
Your grade 3. Where are you going to school today?
Siena College.
And do you have school tomorrow?
No. Online class.
Oh, why? Why is that?
The volcano erupted, they said.
There's a volcano that erupted. Can you tell us more about the volcano that erupted?
It's making the air polluted.
And what's your reaction to that?
That's my reaction.
That's your reaction? What are you studying currently in your subjects?
In online or
Anything that you want to mention, bruh.
English.
Oh, you like English. What are you learning in English?
Sentence and non-sentence.
Okay, great. And now, I have another question for you before we end. I currently cannot smell, but can you rate how your father smells from 1 to 10? 1 being the best.
4.
Oh, so he smells good.
No, I said 4.
But I said 1 is the best.
What?
Yeah,
No. No.
out of 10.
Out of 10. Oh, it smells good. Right?
What? No.
Out of 10, it's good.
In terms of in a scale of 1 to McDonald's, 1 being the best,
10.
10.
Oh.
Oh.
Actually, wait, no.
So he
no.
smells bad.
Wait, no. 7.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, it was nice talking to you, Micho Delero. Let's do our handshake before we leave.
Wait. They can see you.
Okay, let's stand up.
Oh. Okay, there.
Good night, everybody, and we'll see you. Oh. There's one last word from the water drinker.
So, get out of the shot, Micho. I think siguro dapat mag-suggest ang mga naadi na nagtanaw karon kung unsay buhaton ni Jaime tomorrow. Kung unsay topic niya nga i-discuss. This live will be happening until mahuman ang screening sa Vimeo. So hopefully regularly every night and maybe sometimes during jogging. Unsa man nato na ang jogging? Cellphone diretso.
See you
cellphone.
tomorrow at 8 a.m. We're jogging at 8 a.m., right?
With the new shoes, 2 sets of
We're
new
making
shoes.
filmmakers healthy. Stay strong. Stay healthy, everybody.
Drink
Exercise.
water.
Drink water. You don't want to end up like Keith Delero. So, we need filmmakers in the world. Let's end this live stream.
Paano natin ito?
Final words ni Dardo niya ka.
Walang nagbid kay Dar, so he won't speak. All right. Thank you, everyone. That was 36 minutes.
Pwede nimo ibutang sa description ang URL sa Vimeo Dar.